Alright, hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to browse the archive and find deleted or lost YouTube videos that aren't on YouTube in 2021. So as an example, I'm going to use actually happened. Hit enter. It brings me to a search page with this. So I'm going to use a video I've already done before as an example. So you want to copy and paste that into another archive website. Erase all the archive. You'll be left with the YouTube video link. You will be able to find how many times it has been archived and click on one of those times. Just let that load. Just wait for it to load. Now let's go back a bit further. So this looks like, when the video disappears like that and turns into this, it's super good. That means it's been archived before. Click on it.
Hey there, I'm Katie, and I'm itching to share a story.
And it will play. So, not every video is available on the archive, but you have better luck finding deleted YouTube videos on archive than not finding them at all. Alright, see you guys in the next one.